Hey YouTubers, it's Hawaii Girl of Hawaii Girl Adventures. So glad you could stop by. My channel has a bit of ice climbing, rock climbing, off-roading, and hiking videos. I hold an FAA Part 107 certificate and enjoy flying my drones, so you'll see some of my videos in my drone footages as well. I enjoy off-roading along the local off-road trails and spending my time at Red Rock Canyon and at elevation in the Spring Mountains. I live 15 minutes from Red Rock Canyon and 30 minutes from the Spring Mountains, Mount Charleston areas where I do most of my climbing, hiking, and flying my drone. Mahalo for visiting. Hit that like button and please subscribe to my channel. Aloha!